Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Honor 200 Pro for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside in the search we can enter the senior, and there's a specific mode. There should be specific mode, but I think they removed it from this version of Honor phone, so we can change it to the simple mode. And yep, there's the simple mode. Find it like this, enter simple in the search, click on it, then click on the enable, and this should change your entire phone. So as you can see, all of the things on our interface have increased in size. We have bigger icons, bigger text. Also, when we try to go to our settings, they are a bit limited and much easier to access most important ones like Wi-Fi, mobile data, and etc. Also, if you want to leave the simple mode as you don't like it maybe, then click on the exit simple mode right here. But anyway, that is all that I would do to configure this phone for a senior person. Just enter the simple mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.